Hi! Today you'll learn how to make a simple balloon starfish, perfect as a fun animal for kids or as part of an ocean-themed decoration. Materials. You'll need 5 twisting balloons, also known as 260 balloons, in your chosen color. 1 5-inch balloon for the eyes, preferably white. A balloon pump. Scissors. A marker. Step-by-step instructions. Start by cutting about 10 centimeters, 4 inches, off the end of each twisting balloon. Then inflate all the trimmed balloons, leaving about 1-2 centimeters, 1/2 inch, of uninflated space at the tip. This will make twisting easier. Pair up the inflated balloons and tie them together. Then attach the 5th balloon to one of the pairs and twist everything together. This will create the classic 5-armed starfish shape. Take one of the cut balloon scraps, tie a knot at one end, and inflate it slightly to create a small bubble. Place it in the center where the starfish arms meet. This helps keep the structure stable. Inflate the 5-inch balloon, but don't fully inflate it. It should be soft enough to twist in half. The more you inflate it, the bigger your starfish's eyes will be. Attach it to the center of the structure, just like the previous element. Pupils on the eyes to give your starfish some personality. Your balloon starfish is now ready. Thank you for twisting along. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel